Cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the stopper and pull outwards. When it unclips, rotate and pull the stopper through to remove it. Removing and reinstalling the stoppers is easier if you partially close the glove box. Lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1104 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Lift the glove box and reinstall the stoppers by threading the rubber part through first. Then, push until it clicks into place. Remember that lifting the housing makes it easier. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.